Welcome to Ronda's Quarantine Kitchen. I have been a proud prepper for many years, and those zombies didn't come, a pandemic did. And so we are in self-quarantine, and everyone's doing a lot of panic buys at the grocery store, and most of what people are buying are non-perishables, but there's a lot of perishables left in the store because people don't know how to preserve them. So I'm going to show you how to pickle your perishables. So join me in developing our post-apocalyptic skill set. Ronda's Quarantine Kitchen. So we're gonna chop up some veggies. We're going to chop the red onion very thin like. And I like to curl my fingers. I got taught this as a bartender when cutting onions, that if you curl your fingers in, you're less likely to chop off your fingertips. Not today, knife. Look at that! No fingers were lost in this production. It's more than I could say about every production I've been a part of. Okay, so now carrots are gonna get the haya. They all get the half haya. Haya! Ah, I'm gonna cry about it. There's probably a more efficient, like Gordon Ramsay way type to do it. Shout out to Gordon Ramsay, scramble. Carrots! Yeah, all right. So you gotta chop off the end dudes of your cucumber because it'll rot in your pickle jar. And that is the opposite of what you want in your pickling circumstances. But that's okay, my chickens will love you. There's a bag down there, not a chicken. Hiya, hiya.
I just only speak in halves ever.
Yeah, I'm like quarters and you're like half a half. Half a half. You mean a quarter? You mean an eighth? Half a half a half. I love the vegetables except for the radish. I'm going to stick you in there. And then I'm gonna stick this in here and then I'm gonna and then slide like a deli meat. And then I push, and I push, and I push, and I push. And then I think it's over. Yeah, if you don't have a mandolin, I recommend you cut these carefully.
And slowly.
And slowly. Not slow, but high. Careful. Mandolin. Look at that. I got all my fingers. Look at my veggies. Now that I have my thinly sliced veggies, I am going to put them in jars. Well, first I'm going to blanch these onions, but you're just gonna have to take my word for it. So now I'm gonna make up all the different brines. Our brine concoction ingredients are in the description below. And let's pickle these bad boys. This is Blurry Jessie, our pickling expert, our brine ninja. She is going to show us our delicious mix. What do you got here?
Your basic pickling brine is going to be your vinegars, either apple cider or white. Do not do anything beyond this because they are lower in acidity. You want a 5% acidity, and don't add too much water. Then basically you get your salt and sugar. Mix it together. Usually at that point you would have to heat it up because you need to make sure those things are dissolved. Basically, pickling is like a personal thing. You add whatever you think is delicious. All of these will be detailed below.
Yes, all right. Let's get a brine in. Okay, so we got our chopped vegetables here in jars. All of these are raw except for these red onions here, which are blanched. Blanched, Blurry Jessie tells me, is when you quickly throw them in boiled water and then quickly take them out. Just give them a little bit, still tastes. And we have all of these pickling mixtures adjacent to their vegetable friends. First is the cucumber. And the mix contains, what is in this mix?
That one's the garlicky dill.
This is garlicky dill. And I'm just gonna pour it. Oh yeah, oh look at that. So not messy and all over the counter. These have all been boiled, the jars and the lids. Ooh, so disinfected. So this is made with a 5% acid vinegar, which it's got very little water in it. It should keep in the fridge for 2 to 3 months, but it is not shelf stable on its own, so don't leave it out. This is for the fridge. But there we go. We have now preserved our perishables. All right, next is The radish, which this pickles in about an hour, right?
Yeah.
Super thin sliced radishes. This is a quick pickle, so we'll be able to actually taste test this one in an hour. The rest of these basically have to go overnight. Confident pour, so much confidence. Look at that, I didn't believe I could do it.
Sweet and spicy radish.
This is the sweet and spicy radish mix. The ingredients of which are down below in the description. This is carrots. This is hot.
Yeah, that'll be good for semi-blanching.
All right, so this is warm. The carrot mixture is warm. It will be left out until it cools down on its own. Then put it in the fridge. Then wait 24 hours, and then it's ready to eat with an H. Wow, confidence. Look at the confidence. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you out. This is for the blanched red onions. They have just slight little encounter with some boiling water. If you want to know what this is, look at the description below, and then you will know more than I do. Go to your home. I scoop you. All right. Look at this pickling goodness. So you guys are left out to cool. These guys can go in the fridge right away. This dude can be eaten in an hour. Everybody can be eaten within 24 hours. And ta-da! We have pickled the perishable food items. And now you are ready 1 hour later. And so the quickest of all the pickles to be pickled is the radish. So we're gonna give it a shot. Get it over here. Tannefog.
Tannefog. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, it was so good.
Sweet and spicy.
Thank you for joining us on Rhonda's Quarantine Kitchen.
Still crunching.
You're not wearing your sunglasses.
No, God!
Now China knows!